What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. Today, I'm actually very excited because in today's video, guys, I am going to be talking to you about 3 of my most favorite coatings and as to why you, as a detailer, should give these a try. Without further ado, well, let's start talking about it. All right, you guys, so to begin this conversation, I'm going to start with the Maxshine Max Graphene. This is a up to 9-year graphene coating, right? Up to 9 years of protection, right? But let's be honest, not a lot of our clients are actually holding their vehicles up to 9 years. Usually 3 years, they're trading it in, they're getting a new car, and they're probably calling you again to coat their new vehicle, right? But as a mobile detailer, if maybe you're barely starting into the ceramic coating market, right? You don't want to spend a lot of money on a coating. This one here is going to be the perfect combination for you and your business. One, it's $104. Usually it's $125. This is a 60 milliliter bottle, right? And one, it's very user friendly. You can use this indoors and outdoors, right? As far as the flash time or the dwell time, usually 30 seconds, I would say, is the sweet spot on this coating, right? So if you're one of those detailers that you don't like to wait for coatings to flash or cure or do all of that, this one is definitely going to do that. Apply, wait a couple seconds, take it off, and keep going, right? This one is the perfect coating for any beginner detailer, right, who wants to learn. This is a coating that's going to teach you application. It's going to teach you about the rainbowing, what to look for, when to remove it, right? Only you as a hey, also get over here. Get your butt over here. Here. No, sir. Here. Sit. Hey. You're not running off. No, sir. No, sir. Where was I? Shoot. See what you did? Now I gotta start all over again. You better behave. Way. All right, start it again. All right, you guys. So let's begin this conversation, Kylie. All right, you guys. Let's begin this conversation with probably the most user-friendly coating out there for me in the market, right? And that is coming in at $104 at the current time of this video. It is by Maxshine. This is their Max Graphene. This is a up to 9-year protection, right? Now, let's be honest, not a lot of clients keep their vehicles for 9 years, right? I sell this coating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 year ceramic coating, right? For the price, it's not going to hurt me. This is a coating that me as a detailer, if I'm tired of buying a strictly 3-year coating, a strictly 8-year coating, a strictly 10-year coating, because they do sell those, right? You can literally just buy one bottle and sell this one bottle. It's going to make you a lot of money in different ways or forms. This one can be applied to glass, to plastic, to paint, and you're going to be just fine, right? So coming in at 104 as a very user-friendly coating is the Maxshine Graphene. Don't forget, you can also use discount code Serranos15 at checkout, and you'll get 15% off at checkout, plus free shipping. But what I have enjoyed out of this product is, one, I can use this indoors, and I can get up to about a minute of flash time, meaning the rainbowing, right, or dwell time. If I'm outside, I've seen it at about 30 seconds, and I'm buffing it off, right? This new and upgraded version they did, I do get a little bit of more gloss or more depth into the paint after a correction. And then I'm getting a little bit of more slickness. They added a little bit of more slickness on their new and upgraded version, which I do love, right? But this is a up to 9-year coating right now. If you guys, so I don't need that, right? I think they're maybe 3-year coating that Maxshine has is like $80, or I could be wrong, but for a little bit more, get you just the best, right? Get you the better, more aggressive formula. It's not going to cost you anything, and you can feel safe when you apply this. As a first time installer, you're not going to mess up, right? This is a perfect coating that you can apply on your vehicle. You can see how it works, how it performs, how it flashes, and this is how you learn how your product is going to react in different scenarios, right? The coatings I'm going to be talking to you about today as well, I have used in multiple ways, in different scenarios, different temperatures, that I get to know really why I recommend these, right? And there is nothing I will put on a customer's vehicle that I haven't tested at least for 6 months and truly beat it up and see if this is going to work before I provide it to a client. So this one here is a very user-friendly coating. You don't have to panic about, man, it's going to leave some major high spots. It's going to be very grabby. The buff off is very, very nice, without really leaving you a lot of high spots to kind of fix, right? But you always want to double check your work. Coming in at the second of my most favorite coating that I have recently started using, it is by Clean by Pen. This coating here is their 8-year coating. And the reason I have enjoyed this one is because, one, again, I can use it out on a sunny day, on a hot day, on a hot panel, and I can feel very safe that is not going to give me a lot of troubles. And there's also videos somewhere here in my YouTube channel where I have installed these, and you guys can kind of see how they perform as well. But the Clean by Pan has been my second favorite to be applying on a lot of my clients' car because of the user experience. The dwell time on this one is 1 to 2 minutes and then buff off, right? Upon the buff off, you are getting amazing gloss. You're getting amazing slickness. Like, you can tell right off the bat when you put your towel and you're wiping it off, your towel will, like, you can feel the slickness. So if you're looking for that coating that you're like, I want slickness, I want gloss, this one is going to be the one. Now, Clean by Pan also comes in a 3-year coating. To be honest, I usually just go for like an 8-year coating, and if I'm selling a 3-year, I'm putting the highest coating. That's just me. I'd rather give a better value to my client because of that, right? But a lot of people will say, like, man, they didn't pay for an 8-year. That's okay. I'd rather protect myself and put the max on there, just in case anything happens. That's one way I protect myself, is just by putting a little bit more protection on the vehicle than what they paid for, right? But amazing slickness, amazing gloss. It does flash really nice, so the user experience is there. I will always just say on this one, pay attention when you're buffing it off, because you don't want to leave any high spots, right? And that goes to really any coating. Now, the last coating I want to talk to you guys about is ones that recently I started applying, using, and the more and more I use it, I gotta be honest, I have really enjoyed it, right? And that coating is, and I don't know if I told you guys, this one here is coming in at $149.99 from the House of Rags, right? So this, you can get it exclusively through the House of Rags website, and I'll post a link on this one as well. And go and check it out. If it's a coating that you think is good for you, definitely check it out and get it, right? But that coating that I have recently started using, and actually I don't know, I gotta say I've been falling in love with it, is going to be by Diamond Protek. And I'll post a link on this one as well. I didn't know I had a discount code, but somewhere in my emails, I saw that I did have a discount code. So I'll post a discount code on this one if you guys want to get it. I think it's Serrano 10. I could be wrong. But if this one kind of interests you, I'll post a link on this one as well. But Diamond Protek, this is a 3-year nano coating or diamond coating. And I have to say, coming in right now, you can get it at the Rack Company for like $70, I think. $72. This one here is usually $90. Again, it comes with the kit, your towel, the panel prep, and your coating. This one is usually $90 for the kit. which is still a great price. At $90, it's a coating that competes with a lot of them out in the market. The reason I have started to love this one is because of the dwell time. I'm gonna get 5 to 10 minutes of playing time, meaning once I apply it, I can wait 5 to 10 minutes out on a hot day, on a hot panel, and not feel like, shoot, this thing is cooked on the paint. The buff off is ridiculous. It's ridiculous. At the 5 minute and at the 10-minute mark, I feel like it's even easier to remove. Very, very easy to remove. One thing I have enjoyed is I don't see a lot of, it doesn't leave like a lot of trail behind. So leaving high spots is going to be very, very minimal, right? And you do get gloss. I have seen it kind of enhance the look of that paint. And as far as slickness, I feel like it doesn't give you all that slickness, but there's something, right? But I feel for this one, they're selling you more of the protection, as well as the water behavior and a lot of other benefits that this nano coating brings to the table. Now, as a mobile detailer, you're like, man, I need a coating that can, or a question you might have as a new installer is, I hear about curing times, right? The Maxshine Graphene is going to give you 12 to 24-hour cure time. I usually tell my clients, let me keep the car for 24 hours or keep the car inside for 24 hours. Don't take it out. That is the curing process, right? Now, Clean by Pans, his is a 1-hour cure time. So once you apply the coating, within 1 hour, your coating is cured. It has sealed. It is good to go. It can even get wet after 1 hour, right? And we recommend you wash it a week after, right? And Diamond Protek's curing is also 1 hour, right? So these two are amazing for us mobile detailers who are working outside. The client does not have a garage that day. You can feel very, very safe that you can apply this and it's going to cure, right? As long as the weather is good, meaning no wind or anything like that, you're going to be fine with any of these coatings applying outdoors, right? And then the last question I get asked a lot is, Carlos, do you need a certification for any of those coatings that you have told me about? And the answer to that is no, right? You can feel safe that you can purchase this online with no problem. You can buy the Clean by Pan with no problem. And you can buy Body 36, their 3-year coating, no problem. You don't need a certification to buy these coatings, right? As long as you have the capability and understanding of how to apply a coating, you're going to be just fine. And that is one of the reasons I have kind of stuck with these 3. There's more out there where I don't have to worry about a certification. I don't have to worry about paying for a class. I would love to play with the 5-year. They do have a 5-year coating, but that's their pro level. And I believe for that one, you do need a certification. And that's kind of like the love and hate battle I'm having right now. Like, do I want to get certified to try out their pro 5-year coating, right? Is it going to give me more slickness, right? Those are the things right now that I'm kind of playing in my head. Like, do I want to make that step and get certified with Diamond Protek just so that I can get the 5-year coating and test it out, right? But for now, if you are a starter detailer, if you are a mobile detailer who strictly does a lot of corrections, a lot of coatings like myself out in the elements, well, these 3 options here, I honestly feel are not going to steer you wrong, right? I have tried and tested each one, and I have enjoyed just the ease of application. Each one has its pros and their cons, right? At the end of the day, it's all going to fall down to kind of what you as a detailer are looking for you as a detailer of what you're installing, right? These are my favorite. I know for some of you guys in the comments, these are not your favorite, and that's okay. That is the beauty of why we do this, right? Because there is so many different options out in the market. And definitely let me know in the comment section what coatings you have enjoyed installing. And maybe I'll try to purchase them and give them a try. But I'm the type of detailer that once I find a product that fits exactly my scenarios or my work style, I was going to say lifestyle, my work style, I stick with them and I don't flop. I'm not going from this coating to this coating. You know, I like to find something that is gonna fit exactly my agenda, exactly what my clients want, but I also believe in them enough to put them in their vehicle. And I also see them regularly for its maintenance washes, right? So again, I hope this video kind of showcased a little bit. I know a lot of you have been asking me for a while and I just haven't done that. So I do apologize because I don't play with a lot of coatings. And I try to stick with, once I start finding what I like, I stick with it, I play with it, and I have enough information to give you like, you know what, try this one. I really like it, right? So I hope these 3 options that you guys saw today are coatings that maybe you've thought about in the past, and maybe now you're like, man, let me give it a try, right? At the end of the day, take my input with a grain of salt. We all have preferences, right? I'm not into a lot of major brands. I just like to use what works best for me. And these 3, I honestly feel, are those coatings that give me exactly that. So again, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. As always, God bless you guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.